How you doing today? I'm Austin Lee, your student physical therapist today. Is it okay if I record this session for learning purposes?
Yes, that's fine.
Good. Can you tell me your first and last name, please?
Ivana Lee,
Good. And your date of birth?
01/13/96.
Awesome. And today we're going to be listening to your lungs, making sure everything's symmetrical and clear and nothing's blocking it, your airways. And we're going to be using this stethoscope. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Awesome. Let's proceed. So today, first we're going to be listening to the upper portion of your lungs, which is known as the anterior apical, which is the top. So I'm going to put it up top here. We're going to find the clavicle right here. We're going to go up superior towards it and listen. Can you go ahead and breathe through your mouth for me? Exhale through your mouth. One more time. Good. This side as well. Good. The next spot we're going to be doing is the anterior segment of your lobe, of your lungs. First, we're going to be doing your right lung. We're just going to find the clavicle and move inferior to it. Can you go ahead and breathe in through your mouth? Good. Same thing on this side. Good. Next thing we're going to be doing is your right and left middle lobes. Your left lobe is known as your ligula. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be finding the sternum right here. And since I do have a female patient, we're going to have to modify it. So I'm going to find the sternum, and I'm just going to hands on your hip for me. I'm just going to place a stethoscope. It's going to come superior and laterally right here. All right, now we're going to be testing your ligula. Close a little bit. Go ahead and breathe in for me. Good. And it's going to be symmetrical on the same side. Good. Next thing we're going to be doing is your anterior basal segments. So what we're looking for is the xiphoid process and just moving laterally. Good. Here as well. Good. Thank you. Everything's good on this anterior portion. Can you go ahead and face that wall for me? Thank you. Awesome. So the first portion we're going to be doing is your posterior apical segments. So what we're looking for is the spine of the scap right here. And in the trap, it's going to go in between. Is it okay if I put this underneath your sports ball?
Yes, that's fine.
Right lobe, right posterior apical. Go ahead and breathe through your mouth for me. Good. Thank you. Same thing on this side. Go ahead. Good. Next thing we're going to be doing is your posterior segments of your upper lobe. So what I want you to do, what we're looking for is the spine of the scap, and in between the inferior border, the scap. And we're just going to go through the spine of the scap and just move medially towards it. So what I want you to do, can you give yourself a big hug? Awesome. Good. Go ahead and breathe in for me through your mouth. One more time. Same thing right here. Good. The next thing we're going to be doing is the superior segment of our, the superior segment of our lower lobes. And what we're looking for is sitting around T3 to T10 or T7. And it's going to be sitting around our spine of the scap and our inferior border. And we're just going to move in between and move medially. Go ahead and breathe in for me. Good. Same thing. Good. The next thing we're going to be listening to is our posterior basal segment, which is go ahead, relax one. We're just going to find the inferior border, and we're just going to move inferior towards it. Right here. It's okay if I put this under your sports bar?
Yes, that's fine.
Here, inferior border. Here. Go ahead and breathe in for me. Good. So left lobe, left posterior basal segment, and we're going to move out right. Go ahead and breathe in for me. Good. The last thing we're doing is our posterior lateral basal segment, which is we'll find the inferior border of our scapula and just move all the way lateral towards our axilla. Good. Awesome. I'm just gonna put my hand inferior border. Here. Go and breathe in. Good. Same thing on this side. Awesome. Thank you very much for your help today. Everything's all clear. Your lungs are symmetrical. No blockage of the airway. There's no crackling or anything. Thank you so much.